Chocolate Star Brioche. I think you've got to be happy with that. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. It's still a little bit warm. It's just come out of the oven. We'll sprinkle it with some icing sugar. Oh my gosh. And you should smell the kitchen. It's just glorious. Beautiful, sweet bread smells. Look at that. Perfect for any festive occasion. Also really easy to break bread with people because you can just pull this apart. Is it a little bit sweet? Is it a little bit chocolatey? Yes. Get that out. Look at that. By the way, it's good to put this icing sugar on while it's warm. It'll just help it to stick on there a little bit easier. Chocolate Star Brioche. Look at that. This just pulls apart, as you can see. And you can see that because it had the time for the dough to have its second rise, it's a little fluffier than the smaller ones that I made earlier, which I really pushed without their second rise. Got them straight into the oven, so probably not ideal. This is ideal, and in fact the proof is here. If you like the recipe, subscribe, leave a comment, make it yourself, and post a photo up. I'd love to see it. Happy baking.